All right, so good morning. Today is the 6th of March, and I've decided to do an actual video on vegan waffles. I'm going to show you how I actually make my vegan waffle, so follow along. I have already taken my waffle maker out. It is on so that it's preheating, so that when I'm ready to put my mix on, it'll be good and hot for it. So what I use in order to make the buttermilk for the vegan waffle is I use vanilla, and I use a half of a teaspoon of vanilla, apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon, and then my milk that I make with my almond cow, 3/4 cup of oat milk. I've already put the apple cider vinegar and the vanilla in the bowl. I am now going to pour in the milk, and I am going to let that sit aside for about 5 minutes in order for it to make the buttermilk. And here is the milk that I make using my almond cow, and that's an almond cow glass jar. So in this mixture here, I have mixed together my baking powder, all-purpose flour, and sea salt. So in here, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a half a tablespoon of baking powder, and a pinch or so of salt. That's what's in this one here. And soon I will incorporate my wet ingredients into my dry ingredients. And for this recipe, this makes about 3 waffles. In this bowl, I have added some pure maple syrup and some coconut oil. Half a tablespoon of maple syrup and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So instead of using sugar or butter, that's what I have here. In here, I have now mixed my dry ingredients, my wet ingredients in with my dry ingredients. I will whisk those things around, not to over mix it, right? And I actually just made a mistake. So the idea is to actually kind of go in one direction of mixing your ingredients. Try not to go both ways. You just saw me go both ways, so that was an accident. My batter is mixed together, and it's okay if you have some lumps in there, that is fine. We will now transfer my batter over into the waffle mix. So I actually put my batter into a cup that has a little spout on it just to make it for easy pouring. And like I say, depending on the size of your waffle maker will determine how many waffles you're able to get up out of the mix. If your waffle maker is a little bit smaller than mine, you'll probably be able to get 3. If yours is the same size as mine, you may only get 1 or 2. And now I'm going to close it and let it do its thing. All right, so here's my finished product. I was able to actually make a waffle and a half out of the ingredients that I used.